Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the Starfall Shards and Heartopia. So basically, it's going to be on the weather area. You'll see that this means there will be a Starfall Shard. Now, if you, for instance, missed it on that day or on that time, you can actually still find Starfall Shards the next day. So it has like a 24-hour period. So yesterday I missed the Starfall Shard weather, but actually I can still harvest them. However, Doris will not be here. So again, if you miss Starfall Shards event, sorry, the meteor shower, you can still gather some shards the next day. Just make sure you know where everything is. I don't have the map for it yet. Oh, what's this? But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Oop, she gone. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.